Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and preview a Gumroad product page before publishing it. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into your account if you have not already. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, now we can get started with accessing all the sections right here for managing our store, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to preview the product page before publishing it. By clicking the product section right here, the left side of the screen, you're going to be able to take a look at all the products you already have. And to go ahead and create a new product, we are going to click the new product option right here. So by clicking new product, this is going to enable us to go ahead and get started with creating our product page. So it's going to enable us to choose what kind of product we want to create and so on, and then it's going to take you to the customized page once you enter in the price, and then we can get started customizing our products. So let's go ahead and give it a random name and then go and proceed to the next page. From here guys, as you can see, we can get started with editing the product, the thumbnail, preview image and title, and so on. And as you can see, the right side of the screen, we have the preview page. So if you click this preview button right here that looks like an arrow, it's going to take you to the preview page where you can go and take a look at how the product looks, what it says, and so on. And that is how to go and preview your product page before publishing it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.